I think sometimes people with your lower level classes tend to give up on them quicker when they're the ones that probably need the repetition and they need more time to get it. And I feel like a lot of times with younger dancers too, that's something I see often, that I feel like people don't challenge them because they're going, oh, well, they didn't get it. Well, if I teach an 8 count to my 4th and 5th graders and teach that same 8 count to my high school kids, they're gonna pick it up a lot quicker, obviously, just because they learn faster than they do in 4th and 5th grade. You might need to give the 4th and 5th graders 3 weeks to get looking like the older kids did at it, you know? So you wanna give them that time to get it, because a lot of times they'll surprise you and they'll do it. It just takes them a little bit longer. And same thing with your lower level kids. It might just take them a little bit longer to get it, but still challenge them. I don't like giving I feel like I give even my like Wii Hip Hop as challenging choreography as I do some of my older kids, maybe not quite as challenging, but I challenge them and they look a mess right now, but I do think it's making them better and they're gonna get better as they keep going. Yeah, and then you you have to be able to base it and go, okay, this is never gonna happen. You know, like I've had moves where I'm like, that's not gonna work, we're gonna change it. Sometimes I do it right away, sometimes I give them a couple weeks and then go, okay, it's still not getting better and I know it's not going to because it's too hard. Or whatever it may be. You want to choreograph to their level, but also still give them a little bit of a challenge and give them time to get it.